Sveiki! Šiandien aš išmokau naują anglišką žodį. Šiandien aš išmokau naują anglišką žodį. Today I have learned a new English word. Ir tas žodis yra alloy. Are you getting me? Alloy. It means something is like two metals are melted and put in one. Alloy of gold and silver. And how do you call this mixture of gold and silver? It's bullion. Bullion. And in Lithuanian, alloy or bullion, it's lydinys. 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 Lydyti, it's to melt. So if you want to make a bullion, you have to melt a metal. Gold and silver, and you are going to have a bullion. I want to pronounce bullion. Bullion, because we have a word, Buljonas. Buljonas, it's something different. So, Buljonas, it's when you boil meat and bones, or you have mushrooms or vegetables, you make a broth. Broth, meat broth or mushroom broth or other kind of broth. When we have noodles like Chinese noodles, we always have this small pack to make this broth for these noodles. So in Lithuanian we call it buljonas. Buljonas, it's a broth. And when we speak very fast, our language becomes like buljonas or bullion, because everything comes together and you cannot understand what's going on, what Lithuanians are talking about. For example, labai gerai. Labai gerai, it's not the bakery. Labai gerai, it means very good. Tu tai padarei labai gerai. Tu tai padarei labai gerai, it means you made it very good, very nice. Labai, very, gerai, good. When you see this buljonas of labai gerai, and you try, you taste, and you think, what's that? Is it chicken or vegetable or mushroom broth, buljonas? Is it the bakery? No. Labai gerai, it's not the bakery. Labai gerai, it's very good. That's it for now. Iki kito karto.